Now we have a few points on which we compare between a structure and a union. First is the memory space. In a structure, memory space is allocated to each variable, to each member individually. Whereas in union, the member which needs the largest value of memory is allocated a whole block of memory, and that one block of memory is shared by the other members of the union. In a structure, all the members of the structure can be initialized at one particular time, whereas in a union only one member can be initialized at a time. And there is no concept of active members in a structure. All the members are active as long as they are being used by the user. Whereas in a union, at a time only one member is functional, so only that member is called the active member. Now memory conservation is not at all rampant with structures because you are allocating the maximum amount of memory for every variable. Whereas in a union, you are saving the memory space by allocating one block of memory to hold the largest value, and all the members of the union, they share that same memory space as and how they are required. So this saves a lot of memory space for the union members. So when we are using the union, the members of the union can be shared and they conserve and save the memory space without causing much of wastage. The keyword usages: when you are using structures, you use the struct keyword. When you are using union, you use the union keyword. So these are the common differences between a struct and a union.